Measuring Penny, written and illustrated by Lorene Leedy. My name is Lisa, and my teacher says our next big homework project is to measure something. Mr. Jason says we can measure anything, like a sofa, a television set, or a doll. Measuring homework due next Tuesday. Number 1, choose something to measure. Number 2, measure it in as many ways as you can. Height, width, length, weight, volume, temperature, time. Number 3, record your results. Number 4, include at least one comparison. It is taller than or heavier than. Remember, a measurement always has 2 parts. 1, a number, 2, a unit. I am 6 feet tall. Which units can you use? Here are some examples. Standard units: inches, feet, yards, centimeters, meters, teaspoons, cups, gallons, pounds, minutes, etc. Non-standard units: paper clips, bricks, frogs, marbles, pencils, toes, etc. You could measure on over to the park. Look at all the dogs out here today. Hey, get down! I can't believe how many dogs live around here. Fine, I'll measure some of you too. We're supposed to use a standard unit, so let me use inches to see how long your noses are. Stop licking my face! The Shetland sheepdog's nose is 4 inches. Penny's nose is 1 inch. The pug's nose is ½ an inch. I'll measure your tails with a non-standard unit. Dog biscuits. Will you please hold still? Penny has the shortest tail. I'll measure your ears with another non-standard unit. Cotton swabs. Don't wiggle so much. Let's see how wide your paw prints are. I'll turn over my ruler and measure with another standard unit. Centimeters. I want to see how tall you all are. Everybody, sit. Penny's height is 18 inches. The unit is inch. 12 inches is equal to 1 foot. Penny is 1½ feet tall. 3 feet is equal to 1 yard. Penny is ½ a yard tall. Let's see how high you can jump. Penny can jump up to my waist. I could use myself to measure with. Penny's jump is as high as my waist. The unit? Me. There's no scale here in the park, so I can't weigh anything. Wait, I could use the seesaw to see how heavy Penny is compared with the other dogs. The seesaw is down on Penny's end, so she is heavier than the pug. Now Penny's end is up because she is lighter than the Cocker Spaniel. The seesaw is balanced, so she weighs about the same as the Shetland sheepdog. Weight comparison. Penny is heavier than the pug, lighter than the Cocker Spaniel, same as the Shetland sheepdog. You look thirsty, Penny. We better go home and get you a drink. See you later, everybody. Let's stop in the bathroom so I can weigh you. Get on the scale. You're exactly 16 pounds. Now let's go to the kitchen for your drink. Mr. Jason says volume is the amount of space something fills, like water in a cup. So what volume of water do you want? A cup? A pint? A quart? Or a gallon? Maybe a tablespoon or teaspoon? You drank a cup of water already today, and I'll give you another cup now. I suppose you're hungry too. No, you can't have the whole bag of dog food. I'll give you half a cup. Sometimes Dad and I make homemade dog biscuits. We measure the ingredients so they taste good. At least do you know who. I'm going to follow Penny around all day Saturday to measure how much time I spend taking care of her. Penny's time schedule. 6 o'clock a.m. Wake up. 6 to 7. Patrol house. 7 o'clock. Bark to wake up everybody. 7:05. Take quick walk. 7:10. Eat breakfast. 7:20. Beg for scraps. 8 o'clock. Howl when mom goes out. 8:10. Take nap. 8:45. Nibble dog biscuits. 12 o'clock noon. Eat lunch. 12:15. Take nap. 1 o'clock. Gnaw bone. 1:15. Investigate weird noise in basement. 2 o'clock. Snooze for a while. 2:30. Bark. Run in circles. 2:35. Go for a long walk. 3:45. Carry newspaper in. 4 o'clock. Watch cartoons. I'll make a poster for this part. Taking care of Penny. How much time does it take? Every day. Feeding her, 10 minutes. Brushing her, 15 seconds. She has short hair. Walking her, 5 minutes in the morning, 30 minutes in the afternoon, 10 minutes at night. Playing with her, half an hour to 1 hour. Weekly, giving her a bath, 15 minutes to 1 hour. Clipping her toenails, 5 minutes. The units were hours, minutes, and seconds. I'll measure how quickly Penny can run to different places. She can get from her bed to the kitchen in 6 seconds. Penny's times. Her bed to her dish, 6 seconds. Across the backyard, 4 seconds. Around the block, 5 minutes. To the park, 7 minutes. To my bus stop, 15 seconds. The units used were minutes and seconds. Temperature is important to Penny. She doesn't like things that are too hot or too cold. Penny likes to go on longer walks when the weather is nice. In fact, you can almost tell the temperature outside just by looking at her. Unit, degrees, Fahrenheit. The last thing I'm going to measure Penny with is money. Mom looked through her checkbook to help me figure this out. We decided Penny is kind of expensive. Cost of having Penny. To buy puppy, $275. Food, for 1 year, $400. Vet, 1 year, $120. Toys, collar, etc., $75. But she's worth a lot too. Value of having Penny. As burglar alarm, $1,000. As exercise machine, $500. As entertainment, $20 a day. For love, $1 million. I'm sure Mr. Jason will give me a good grade on this measuring project. Penny, maybe we should change your name to Million.